In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy bonds on ETrade. We'll walk through logging in, finding the bond marketplace on ETrade, choosing the type of bond that fits your goals, and placing an order with confidence. I'll also point out a few tips along the way so everything feels clear before you click buy. First, log into your ETrade account. Before you move forward, make sure your account is funded with settled cash. You can check your available cash right on your account overview. If you don't have enough available funds, your order won't go through, so it's worth confirming this now. Next, head to the Bonds section. From the top menu, you can go to either Trading or Markets and Ideas. In either place, look for Bonds and CDs or a section labeled Fixed Income. ETrade may update menu labels from time to time, but you're aiming for the dedicated bond marketplace. Once you're there, you'll see a range of bond categories along with filters and details that help you compare options. Now it's time to choose the type of bond. You'll typically see U.S. Treasuries, corporate bonds, and municipal bonds. U.S. Treasuries are generally considered the safest because they're backed by the U.S. government. They often offer lower yields in exchange for that safety. Corporate bonds are issued by companies and usually offer higher yields, but they come with more credit risk that varies based on the issuer's financial strength. Municipal bonds are issued by state and local governments and may offer tax advantages depending on where you live and your tax situation. As you browse, pay attention to maturity dates, current yields, coupon rates, and credit ratings. Longer maturities can be more sensitive to interest rate changes, while higher-rated bonds generally carry lower risk. When you found a bond that matches your needs, click on it to open the details page. Review the key information presented, then click Buy. ETrade will guide you through the purchase flow. You'll see the quoted price, yield, and maturity, and you may notice that bond prices are quoted per $100 of face value, with minimums often set in $1,000 increments. It's normal to see figures for accrued interest if you're buying between coupon dates. Take a moment to make sure the selection aligns with your objective and that your available cash covers the purchase. That's it. Log in, navigate to bonds and CDs or fixed income, choose the bond type that fits your strategy, and click buy on the bond you want. Move at a comfortable pace, read the details on each page, and you'll be ready to add bonds to your portfolio with clarity.